Hello and welcome to All for Shooters. We're in the south of France. This is called Saint-Félix-de-Pallière near Montpellier. It's a sort of a castle from the medieval era. It's absolutely enchanting, beautiful, but it's also a long-range shooting range. They have lines that go from 50 all the way to 1 kilometer, and we're here for 3 days of full immersion together with a very selected few journalists that come from all over Europe, and we will be able to test in depth the rifles from Savage, the optics from Leupold, and the ammunition from Hornady. The experts from each of these companies will showcase, instruct us on how to best use their equipment and how to be successful at this highly competitive discipline that goes, as a matter of fact, on different shooting distances on steel plates on a clock.
Hello, all for shooters. We are here in south of France. My name is Jens Tigges. I'm the marketing director of Outdoor Marketing International. We're an independent agency representing Savage, Leupold, and Hornady, and some other brands. And we're here to experience long-range shooting with factory ammunition, factory guns, and excellent scopes, and to get an idea what it takes to start that interesting sport of PRS shooting.
My name's Seth Swerzik. I'm the Marketing Communications Manager for Hornady Manufacturing.
And I'm Nick Kitlika. I'm the Shooting Sports Marketing Manager for Leupold.
I'm Matt Allwine. I'm a pro shooter on Team Savage.
We're starting to get to our class in which the people from Hornady are going to explain to us how to read the wind, how to dope our reticles and stuff like that.
How we derive a drag profile to put in forward off, and some of the basic differences of using an actual drag coefficient based trajectory engine versus using a VC calculator.
I'm gonna just kind of like ballpark, kind of like where I need to put those rings. I'm just gonna look. Usually the back of the eyepiece is gonna be kind of in line with the grip. So it's kind of gotta be right there, so I'm gonna kind of go.
And today we're shooting the 6.5 Creedmoor with our factory ELD match ammunition. Now this ammunition features our 140 grain ELD match bullet.
I'm Matt Allwine. I'm a pro shooter on Team Savage. Just here looking at some of the equipment you might want to get started in precision rifle type shooting. This is the Savage Elite in a 6.5 Creedmoor. It's a great rifle to get you going. Pretty much can do anything you need. We have a Leupold Mark 5 on top. This is a 5 to 25 with a PR2 reticle. You're going to need a bipod of some kind. Make sure you get one of those. A decent tripod is very helpful. We shoot off the tripods a lot, but also you can rest your binos on it. Lots of uses for it. You also will want a shooting bag. We use these a lot. For example, we have to shoot off this rock, rest the gun on the bag, away you go. Or if you were shooting prone, put your bipod here, shooting bag under the rear. So with just this pretty basic setup, you could shoot any PRS match they have out there with this kind of stuff.
You're not going to be able to group because you've created different harmonics and things hanging off the barrel. The lab radar is cool because nothing's touching the gun, so you can get your data outside of it.
The last 2 days we are shooting the rifles at 50, shooting some drills. The next day we're going to 300, 400 and 500 yards, and today we go out to shoot the rifles at 1000 yards.
go. Nice. Wind was perfect. Impact. Wind call is perfect. Trending slightly higher. All right. There you go. Impact. Yeah, I mean, and this one is actually more like 1,012 meters.
Watch where that goes after I shoot those three. If that worked, when I go down to 888, grade 2, this worked, I'm going to go to that.
All right, spotters up. We're going to go.
Go ahead.
Yeah, nice.
I don't know how long it takes to hear that sucker.
Elevation was perfect. There you go. Impact. Nice. All right, come up one more tenth.
All right.
Yeah. Impact. You can do it. Impact. Good run, clean run.
Wrap up of these 3 beautiful days with Hornady, Savage and Leupold. We had a great time. We learned a lot of stuff. We had a great support from the team. All of the teachers here were really pro. We had one of the champions of the sport that actually gave us a lot of helpful suggestions. It was absolutely fantastic. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed doing it. And please stay tuned.